Unwinding the meaning. Wind someone up. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, wind someone up. This expression is a colorful part of spoken English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get into it and explore how this phrase is used in everyday English. To wind someone up has a primary meaning that might not be immediately obvious to non-native speakers. It's a phrase that's used to describe the act of making someone annoyed or angry, often in a playful or teasing manner. But it's important to note that the context in which it's used can greatly affect its interpretation. Sometimes, it's all in good fun, but other times, it might go too far and actually upset someone. Understanding how to use wind someone up in conversation can be best illustrated through examples. In a friendly context, I was just winding you up. I didn't mean to make you believe that story about the flying pigs. In a more aggravating context, he knows how to push my buttons. He was winding me up on purpose by talking about how superior his team is. These examples show how the phrase can be used to either playfully tease someone or to provoke a reaction. The tone of voice and the context in which wind someone up is used are crucial for understanding whether it's meant in jest or as a form of provocation. Paying attention to these cues can help you distinguish between a friendly jest and an attempt to annoy. Remember, what might be considered playful in one culture or context could be seen as rude or insensitive in another. There are a few expressions similar to wind someone up that can also enrich your English vocabulary. Pull someone's leg. This means to joke with someone, without the connotation of irritation that wind someone up might have. Rile someone up. This is more about causing anger or annoyance, very similar to wind someone up, but often with a more negative connotation. Understanding these nuances can add depth to your conversational skills in English. We hope this exploration of the phrase, wind someone up, has been enlightening and adds an interesting layer to your English communication skills. Remember, language is not just about the words we say but how we say them and in what context. Keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget to have fun with it. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.